Hello, my name is Mark Troutman. I'm one of the litigation attorneys with Isaac Brandt, Ledman, and Teeter. I've done a couple video blogs already dealing with more general requirements of public records law, but today I want to cover some specific case law that's developed recently in how to treat public records when an attorney-client privilege aspect is involved. In 2009, the court decided in State ex rel. Ohio, Toledo Blade v. Toledo-Lucas County Port Authority, the site's 2009 Ohio 1767, that an attorney's conclusions after conducting a full investigation can be protected by attorney-client privilege so that you don't have to turn those documents over in response to a public records request. What this means is you can have an attorney come in, do an initial investigation, help you figure out what the facts are, and that attorney's ultimate recommendation to you remains as expected, subject to the attorney-client privilege, and so that you don't have to turn it over. On the other hand, please do not construe the court's holding in this State ex rel. Toledo Blade case to necessarily mean that all the documents the attorney reviews can be protected by attorney-client privilege. That is not the case. Documents that are otherwise public records that are merely reviewed by legal counsel do not turn into attorney-client privilege documents merely because an attorney looks at them. This is very similar to the fact of if you CC your legal counsel on every email or every correspondence you have, this doesn't necessarily mean it's attorney-client privilege if all you're doing is letting your attorney know something when you're not actually seeking legal advice. Think of the kinds of documents this could protect. If an attorney goes and interviews a bunch of your staff about a particular event, the notes that the attorney makes as part of the interview remain attorney-client privileged. You can see how use of this rule could be invaluable in helping you learn more information about some facts or circumstances and dealing with them internally before you end up in a situation where you're obtaining negative public exposure. I'm not suggesting that by any means you should attempt to hide in your attorney's advice, but nonetheless you can get a grasp of the situation by allowing your attorney to do this work for you. For more information on this or any other public records law issues, please contact me at Isaac Brandt, Ledman, and Teeter. Thank you.